Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard shortcuts in Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna custom your keyboard shortcut in Davinci Resolve, this is how you can do it. So first, all you need to do is go to Davinci Resolve here at the upper left corner of your application, and then click it and look for keyboard customization, or you can actually press Control Alt plus K. Control Alt K. So let's try if it will work. Control Alt K. Okay, so now you're here in the keyboard customization menu. So here, this is your active key, and this is the command, and this is actually the uh, the shortcuts that is a default in the our DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to change it, you just need to press X, or if you want to add, you just need to click this and add what shortcut you want on your keyboard. So that's how you actually change the shortcut on your keyboards in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.